Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do Buffalo Gulls challenge. So what you'll need to do is go quickly right here and take this bearing right here. Also make sure to do a lot of kickflips because you need to get total attempt score 3000, so it is the harder one. So as you can see, just go right here, do some couple kickflips or other flips. Right here you can grind it. For the grind distance, go right here and just grind this, so it will be easier for you to get all the grind distance. And now what you'll need to do is go and get the 3000 score of the attempt score. So you're free right here to do some tricks. As you can see, you can do couple kick flips. Just be sure not to fail those. And as you can see, as we get this score, we can go and do the modified grab of the ramp. So that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe if this video was helpful, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.